Big number one goes by the name of Gentry Trout right there. Gentry, a very happy birthday to you. Probably don't have the molars yet to get to Big Ed's, but when old enough, we will treat Gentry for a future birthday in Thayer.
All right, and Rance Keating turning 5 years old this year in Fulton, Kansas. Hope it's a great birthday for you.
We got C squared, Colton Cunningham chiming in at age number 7. Colton, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and a happy birthday from Aunt Jennifer and Grandma Patty going out to Brody Matson. Welcome to the teenage years, Brody, in Columbus.
Built the Columbus Titan pride right there. I like that picture. Emily Reed. She is celebrating her 23rd. We had parties in Thayer today. That's impressive. Emily, a very happy birthday to you in Thayer.
All right, and we've got Marilyn Locke, Turden, 75 years old, in Chanute.
Is there a story behind her?
Yeah, okay, so what I understand, and I understand this might have happened before today's weather, but rumor has it she might have taken a drive on 75 highway with her friend, and they might have reached speeds up to 75.
Now wait a second. If you get far north enough on 75, I think you actually can legally. Because I had to take that trip for a school function.
Well, 69 sure does. So why can't 75?
Right. I'm going to pretend Marilyn was on that stretch of highway where it's perfectly legal.
Yes, of course.
Perfectly legal.
All right.
Hugh Maddox is celebrating his 98th birthday today. And Mr. Maddox, he is a resident at Webwood Assisted Living in Neosho. Now, Mr. Maddox is originally from Golden City, but for everybody out at Webwood, I want you to find Mr. Maddox. Let's practice our social distancing and wish him a huge birthday.
All right, we've got Mr. Brent York celebrating birthday number 58 in Lawton, Kansas.
Kind of looks, that face kind of looks familiar. Huh, how about that?
Yeah, why would that be, Michael?
That would be the father of our own graphic artist, Will York. Will, you do look like your dad, man. That is crazy. Mr. York, you've done a fine job raising your son. We are lucky to have him, and a very happy birthday to you. We got a Who Dat Is on the board.
Hey, it's Bronte's birthday.
That is our own Bronte Sorotsky. Bronte, a very happy birthday. I don't know if you're reporting, if you're helping us out with weather coverage today, but if you are, please be safe. And from all of us here at KOAM and Fox 14, Bronte, very happy birthday wishes.
All right, happy
got one to
birthday.
pass along. I'm going to give Miss Barbara Simpson a screen all to herself because she deserves it as she celebrates her 71st birthday. Barbara, happy birthday in Scammon. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.